to buy Bitcoin at Trust Wallet app. Open your Trust Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can download it at the Play Store. In order to swap or buy token, coin at PancakeSwap, you need to have BNB Smart Chain. To start swapping, scroll down and click on the DApp browser at the bottom. It will prompt you to this page, then just scroll down and click on PancakeSwap. It will prompt you here, then just click on Select a currency. Copy the contract address of Bitcoin and paste it here and click Bit at the bottom. Now, type the exact amount that you would like to swap. Just don't use all your BNB BSC balance, it needs extra for gas fees. Then click on the swap button. Then click on the Confirm Swap button. Now, click on the Approve button to confirm your swap. Just stay on the page until you will see the prompt that swap is successful. Once successful, you should see your balance on your Bitcoin. You can also go back to your main wallet tab and your DPET balance should reflect from here. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.